Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the battery and exposing the internal board. This reveals the likely faults. Once done, inspect the rubber button pad and contact traces for corrosion or crushed carbon pads. Make sure to note the orientation of the battery and any tiny metal spring or retaining clip. Reassembly depends on correct placement. If you see a loose solder joint or lifted trace, you'll address that next. Don't skip careful visual inspection because it guides the repair steps. You now clean corrosion using 90% isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. This restores conductivity. Once clean, test the membrane buttons by gently pressing the board. If key contacts fail, rebuild the carbon pads with a small dot of conductive paint or a thin foil patch. If solder joints look cracked or components moved, reflow them with a fine-tip iron and flux. Heat briefly to avoid board damage. After repairs, perform a bench test with the battery installed before sealing. You finish by carefully reassembling. Place the rubber pad, align the PCB, then fit the battery and snap the halves together. Uneven closure can break contacts. Once assembled, stand near the car and press lock/unlock. Listen for relay clicks and watch lights. If it still does not work, perform the vehicle reprogramming or key pairing sequence or try a fresh battery. Sometimes a marginal cell tests okay but fails under load. If problems persist, check for antenna damage or consult a locksmith.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.